Welcome to Get the Math. Today we are evaluating a square root function. Our function is g of x equals the square root of 2x plus 6. We need to find g of 5 and g of negative 4, if possible. Key concept: square root functions. A square root function contains a square root with x inside. The most important rule is, the expression inside the radical cannot be negative. You cannot take the square root of a negative number in the real number system. The domain is all x values that keep the radicand greater than or equal to 0. Step 1. Find the domain. We set the radicand greater than or equal to 0 and solve. 2x plus 6 is greater than or equal to 0. Subtract 6 from both sides. 2x is greater than or equal to negative 6. Divide both sides by 2x is greater than or equal to negative 3. The domain is all real numbers where x is greater than or equal to negative 3. Step 2. Evaluate g of 5. First, check, is x equals 5 in the domain? Yes. 5 is greater than or equal to negative 3, so we are safe. Substitute x equals 5 into the function. G of 5 equals the square root of 2 times 5 plus 6. Inside the radical, 10 plus 6 equals 16. G of 5 equals the square root of 16. The square root of 16 is 4. G of 5 equals 4. Step 3. Evaluate g of negative 4. First, check, is x equals negative 4 in the domain? No. Negative 4 is less than negative 3, so it is outside the domain. But let's see what happens if we substitute anyway. G of negative 4 equals the square root of 2 times negative 4 plus 6. Inside the radical, negative 8 plus 6 equals negative 2. We would need the square root of negative 2. We cannot take the square root of a negative number. Therefore, g of negative 4 is undefined. Recap. The domain is x greater than or equal to negative 3. G of 5 equals 4. G of negative 4 is undefined, because negative 4 is not in the domain. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more math lessons every week. Visit us at getthemath.net for more practice problems and tutorials. See you in the next one.